Good morning children, welcome to mathematics class. So yesterday we were solving the basic concepts questions. So we are supposed to do the 14th problem. So 14th. Write the following number in 100,000, 10,000, 1,000, hundreds, 10 and ones. So first you write the number. This is 6-digit number and then you put later comma. Then you start writing in terms of places. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. So 9 lakhs plus 2 10,000 plus 7,000 then 4 plus 4 hundreds 2 tens plus 6 ones. 15th. Write the number name for. What is the question? This is also a 6-digit number. First you give the comma, then you read the number. 2,34,587. So like that only you write. First letter capital, remaining all should be small. 587. Okay, the number name is 2,34,587. Okay, this is all about previous connect, that is basic thing. They related to your 4th standard. Now this year you have to learn the 7-digit number, 8-digit number and the 9-digit number. So you know already about 6-digit number. Okay, and how the 7-digit will form. I have explained it already. So once again I will show you. See 7-digit numbers. We know that the greatest 6-digit number is. What is the greatest 6-digit number? 9,99,999. Write the successor of this. If you write the successor of greatest 6-digit number, you will get the answer 10 lakh. This will be the smallest 7-digit number. Got it? And here according to the number system, Indian system, you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits means 7 places you will get. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. This is ones group, thousands group and this is lakhs group. Suppose this has become 7-digit. What about 8-digit? So for this 7-digit greatest number, 99 lakh, 99,999. This is the greatest 7-digit number. Write the successor of it or you add 1 to it. You will get 1 crore. Yes. So this has become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Smallest 8-digit number. Again one place will increase, that is crore. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. This is crore. So this is ones period, this is thousands period and this is lakhs period and this is crore Okay, for this has become 8 digit. So 8 digit is having up to crore period. Then what is the greatest 8 digit number? 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. This is the greatest 8 digit number. If we write the successor of this, you will get the smallest 9 digit number, that is 10 crores. Okay, like this the large numbers are formed. So that only they have explained in this. To do this, we add 1 to the greatest 6 digit number. So we got the smallest 7 digit number. So example for this, population of Faridabad is 10,56,000. Number of cars registered in Mumbai in 2015 was 25,02,673. These are all the examples for 7 digit numbers. So example 1, example 2, that numbers only they have written in terms of places, that is 4 10 lakhs, 7 lakhs, 5 10,000, 2,000, 200s, 4 tens and 3 ones. Example 2, they have taken in terms of places that they have done in a short form or a numeral. Then 8 digit number, how it forms? The greatest 7 digit number, the successor of it, or add 1 to it, you will get the smallest 8 digit number, that is 10. How much it is? 10 lakhs. So like this they have taken some examples. You need to write in terms of place values and the numeral. 9 digit number, how it will form? For the greatest 8 digit number, if you find the successor, it gives the smallest 9 digit number. So the examples are, so we will call it in 10 crores place, we write TC for it. Let us observe some examples of 9 digit number. Page number 248. The distance between the earth and the moon is, that it will be in terms of 9 digit numbers. So that number you should write in terms of places, that is 9 10 crores, 2 crores, 4 10 lakhs, 7 lakhs, 5 10,000s, 2,000s, 900s, 4 tens and 3 ones. If they give in terms of places, you should write in terms of numeral. So that has done in example 6. Next will be the place value. How to identify the place value. So before that, one more I will explain you how to write in terms of places and the numeral. I'll take one example. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 9 digit number it is. First you should write the commas according to Indian system. After 3, then 2, then 2. Then in terms of places, how to write? First read the places. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So 9, 10 crores, 8 crores, then 7, 10 lakhs, 6 lakhs, then 5 10,000, see then 4 is in which place? Ones, tens, 100,000, so 4,000. See, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. 9 10 crores, 8 crore, 7 10 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 5 10,000, 4,000, 300s, number, the large number in terms of places. And then numeral how to write. If they give this one, we should write this. Now we don't know this. Okay, they have given in terms of places. We have to write the numeral. So how to write? We should start from the tens place or ones place. 1, 1. How many tens? 2 tens. So ones place, tens place, then 3 hundreds. This is hundreds place. 4,000. Suppose 0 10,000 in the pile. Okay, 0 10,000 means you should write here 0, then 6 lakh, 7 10,000, 8 crore, 9 10 crores. So then you should give the comma. So like this you should write the answers. Now how to write the place values? They have solved 3 problems in your textbook. You can see this and I will explain one problem. This example only I will take. Okay. 9, 8, 7, 6, 0, 4, 3, 2, 1. Write the place value of it. Okay. You should know the knowledge of how to give comma. First give the comma. Then start from ones place. 1, it is in ones place. So 1 into ones place. 1 ones are 1. Next, which is the number 2? It is in which place? Tens place. So 10. 2 tens are 20. Next, the number is 3. In which place? Hundreds. So 100 you write. 3 hundreds are 300. Next, the number is 4. Into its place. Which place it is? 1000. So 4 ones are 4. Remaining zeros you write. Next, 0 into which place it is? 10,000's place. Okay. 10,000 into 0, 0. Because if we multiply with 0 with any number, you will get answer 0. Now, next 6 into which place? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. So, you should write lakh here. So, 6 into 1 lakh, 6 lakhs. Next, 7 into 10 lakhs. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So, 70 lakhs. Next, can you see this? Okay. Next number is 8 crores place.